Can milky white discharge be a sign of a vaginal infection?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic that many people have questions about: milky white discharge and its association with vaginal infections. Let's dive right in.
What is milky white discharge?
Before we talk about whether milky white discharge can indicate a vaginal infection, let's first understand what milky white discharge actually is. Normal vaginal discharge can vary in consistency and color, and milky white discharge is one of the common types that many people experience. It is usually odorless or may have a mild, non-foul smell.
Normal versus abnormal discharge.
Now, let's discuss the difference between normal and abnormal discharge. Normal vaginal discharge is a way for the body to keep the vagina clean and healthy. It can vary throughout the menstrual cycle and may change in consistency and color. However, it typically remains white or clear, and the amount can increase around ovulation or during sexual arousal. On the other hand, abnormal vaginal discharge may indicate an underlying issue such as a vaginal infection. While milky white discharge can be normal, certain characteristics may suggest an infection. Pay attention to the following symptoms that often accompany abnormal discharge: unpleasant odor, such as a strong fishy smell; changes in color, such as yellow, green, or gray; thick, clumpy, or cottage cheese-like consistency; itching, burning, or irritation in the vaginal area; pain or discomfort during urination or sexual intercourse. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms alongside milky white discharge, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation.
Vaginal infections and milky white discharge.
There are several types of vaginal infections that can cause milky white discharge. Here are a few common examples. 1. Yeast infection. Yeast infections, caused by an overgrowth of the fungus Candida, can lead to milky white discharge. Alongside the discharge, you may experience itching, redness, and swelling in the vaginal area. It's essential to seek medical advice for proper diagnosis and treatment. 2. Bacterial vaginosis, BV. Bacterial vaginosis is a common vaginal infection resulting from an imbalance of bacteria in the vagina. It can cause a thin, milky white or grayish discharge with a strong fishy odor. If you notice these symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare provider for appropriate treatment. 3. Sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Certain sexually transmitted infections, such as gonorrhea or chlamydia, can also cause milky white discharge. Alongside the discharge, you might experience other symptoms like pain, burning, or itching. It's crucial to get tested and treated promptly if you suspect an STI. Remember, self-diagnosis is not recommended. If you're concerned about your symptoms, it's best to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. That wraps up our discussion on whether milky white discharge can be a sign of a vaginal infection. While milky white discharge can be normal, certain characteristics like odor, color changes, consistency, and accompanying symptoms may suggest an infection. If you're experiencing any concerns or symptoms, please reach out to a healthcare provider for guidance and support. Take care, and we'll see you.